Hi, Dr. Z here. Electric or manual toothbrushes? People often ask us which one they should use. I personally recommend, and the research supports this also, is the electric toothbrushes. Whether it was Oral-B, Sonicare, there's many other toothbrushes out there. I would personally recommend the electric toothbrushes just because, for many reasons. I like also the softer, the extra soft bristle on the toothbrush because it's more gentle on the gums. And it's really easy when we use the electric toothbrush. All we have to do is just place it on the tooth gently and just kind of move it around all the surfaces of the teeth. Just like how we did it in the other video, how to brush your teeth the correct way. So I personally recommend electric toothbrushes. They're a lot more gentle on the gums, a lot more gentle on the teeth. Sometimes, unfortunately, what I see is when people use manual toothbrush, they're a little bit aggressive around the gums, and what happens is the gum starts to recede, and then you can see the yellow part of the tooth. It's softer, so it gets exposed, and then people start having sensitivity, unfortunately, there. So we'll discuss in another video what we could do for those areas, the yellow part of the teeth, towards the gums. So I would recommend the electric toothbrush for 2 minutes, twice a day at least, and it does a really good job at keeping everything nice and clean. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like and share it. You could follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook at Desert Breeze Dentistry. I hope this helps, and please share it if you thought it was helpful, and subscribe to our channel.